What a headache. Something doesn't feel right. Oh man, not again. How did this happen?
Oh my gosh, what happened to you?
I don't know what happened.
How did this happen?
I have no idea.
What the hell, Cara?
I don't know. What's going on?
Well, let's get you back together again then.
Yeah, please. Can you guys help me?
Yeah, I guess we have to. Alright, so let's split up and try to find her body parts as soon as we can.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh, found the hand over here.
I found the hand here. It was about to cook. Found the legs.
Alright, we're all good here?
Everything good? Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, what's the deal?
Alright, so we gathered everything together. The only thing that's missing now is this thing right here. Try not to lose it again. How does that feel now?
Great. Thanks, guys.
Finally, we got you together.
Yeah,
Try to
it's
keep track of
awesome.
yourself.
I'll
Yeah.
try.
Now
Who's
can we get
hungry?
let's get a
Yeah,
move
let's
on
go.
with our day.
Yes.
Woo!
Let's get some burritos.
Queso dip.